our great country. This is everything we will use for this lesson. Lesson 17. AM reading. Fun with pets. Phonics Language. Board work for lesson. Review charts 5 and 5A. 1 and 2 vowel rules. BPF 9 TR in train. 10 ship. My student marks the special sound, and the vowels then reads the words. Review clue word cards and blend practice cards. Seat work, class work. For next lesson, handwriting. Writing with Phonics Test 1. Seat work. Next lesson, we're also doing cursive work, arithmetic, board work. Review counting 50 to 71, one more, one less. Ordinal numbers, in addition, subtraction, flashcards. Give speed drill. Review story problems using pennies. Review before, after numbers by 1, writing combinations, using dot cards, addition flashcards, and greater, less. Introduce bar graph using the birthday chart. Practice ordinal numbers by playing Spell a Word. Seat work, class work. Review addition families 1 to 5 using the charts and dot cards. PM reading, handbook for reading, and fun with pets. Spelling, poetry. Recite the poems, The Elephant and The Secret. Social studies. Learning about Abraham Lincoln. All done. Lesson 18. AM reading. Fun with pets. Phonics Language. Some board work. Review chart 6 and 2 vowel rule. Review blend practice cards A and B. BPFTH in thick. 12. Fish in this. Clue cards and blend practice cards B. Teach plurals on the board. Review all the clue words. Dictate some words. Seat work, class work, handwriting. Teach lowercase m on the board, paper. Manuscript, cursive, formation card. Seat work, class work. She's also doing it in cursive. When she writes them nicely, she gets a banana to feed it to the monkey. PM reading. Handbook for reading and fun with pets. Arithmetic. Give test 2. Oral evaluation using addition flashcards. Seat work, class work, spelling, poetry. Review poems The Elephant and The Secret. Social studies. Learning about George Washington Carver. All we need for this lesson. I am adding these math spinners.
What's the sound? Thick as in thick. Same thing, we're going to mark the special sounds and mark the vowels. Okay, now you can read the words. Thumb. Moth.
Theme. Path.
Thin. Bath. Okay, this is the other TH sound.
And this.
And this. Okay, circle special sounds and mark the vowels.
Is that a specific sound?
Okay, yeah, but that makes the I sound. Okay, can you read the words?
Than.
Remember, it makes a different sound.
At.
Can you read it again?
At.
That. That is my dog. That.
That is my dog.
Okay.
And then.
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 Okay.
Ein.
Thy.
A.
Bay. The. Oh, it's not the. It's not a sight word. The. Well, what symbol is that? Okay, it's the or the. Saw. Thigh. Oh, but I is in white. I as in. I as in. What do you use the Y for? And that makes the I sound. And fly. Okay.
And stop. Talk and train.
You can turn it around and you're going to see the clue word too.
And ship. Fog in a flag.
And what?
Flag. And plane. And duck.
Book? What's a book?
Duck.
Yup.
And mice. And no.
No, it's a word too, like that one.
And back.
And the.
And this. And prime. You steal.
Or?
Star. What's star? Zai. What is
Can you turn it around? You can do just one side.
No. Ga.
Go.
Two.
No, it's not two. Saw. A.
Yay.
Yay.
So.
This is some of the manuscript and cursive writing she does. Lesson 19, AM reading. Fun with pets. Phonics Language. Give test 2. She has to read only one row to complete the oral evaluation. Seat work, classwork. For next lesson, handwriting. Manuscript cursive formation guide. Teach lowercase w using formation card. Seat work, classwork. Next lesson, she is also learning to write in cursive. Arithmetic. Review counting chart 1 to 100. Give speed drill. Subtracting 0 using zoo animals and subtraction flashcards. Teach about the calendar. Months of the year and days of the week charts. Arithmetic 1 to 2 concept cards. Birthday graph. Seat work, classwork. PM reading. Handbook for reading and fun with pets. Spelling, poetry. Introducing spelling list 1. Demonstrate with a puzzle piece. I made it with an index card. Spelling list 1. Recite poem, The Secret. Activity time. Music. This is everything we will need for this lesson. Lesson 20. AM reading. Fun with pets. Phonics Language. Some board paperwork. Review long vowels using blend practice cards B. Phonics chart 7. BPF number D, BL in block, and #14, BL in clock. Clue word card and blend practice cards B. Review clue words we've learned so far. Seat work, classwork. Handwriting. Formation guide chart. Teaching lowercase f using manuscript, cursive formation card. Seat work, classwork. She's also doing cursive, arithmetic, board work, counting using 100 chart, after before number using number of flashcards, do speed drill, review calendar, story problems using coins, 1 to 3 subtraction family charts, introducing the 4 subtraction family chart, counting by tens using 100 chart and place value cards, using number flashcards for counting by tens, place value using the board. We're also adding these plastic-based 10 cubes and rods. We got these at Dollar Tree. Seat work, classwork, PM reading, handbook for reading and fun with pets, spelling, poetry, spelling list 1 and the secret, art, pasta apple tree activity. Everything we need for week 4.
And the plus.
Flush.
Flash.
Remember the rule about that double S? So you can say this on one time. Okay, what about
Always S.
less? Which one? Okay, what about that one in the middle? Bleed. Okay.
No, the
Why,
bleed.
why is Blake capital letter? Because it's a name. Good.
Clean clock.
Blue clock. Okay.
Close. Look at the store's closed.
Did you circle the cloak?
Click. Click.
Practicing cursive.
All I said is that it looks like when you're making a B, but it doesn't need to be too big. Small like that, and then out. Just try again. Like an L, curve forward, small, and out. That's it, but you don't need to make it too long. You almost got it. Straight down, forward, out, and then start the A. To make the A, good. Curve out, and then S. Okay.
Just the A.
Okay. Curve. Hold on. Yeah. C.
I like how you do the paper slanted.
All the way to the top. Remember, you need to touch the dotted lines for the U. Every letter that is not uppercase has to touch the dotted line.
Okay, actually.
Okay, good. Now the period at the end, remember, it's a sentence. That means you need to close it with the period.